up?
Damn. Good morning.
Let's do this. Good morning.
You got all your stuff right here, dude?
Yeah, dude. Like, it's not a camping rig anymore.
What?
This is Jay's detail rig.
Yep. Oh, damn. You guys are water?
Yeah.
Is it spotless, John?
Just washing your car. Prepping for VIP Fest. I mean, AutoFashion Fest now. You gotta air it down now.
Looks good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
This is J.O. John.
Yeah. J.O. John. But on this side, for some reason, like this Mars right here. What the fuck happened there?
Yeah, that's shabby.
Karuma folks only know 2 times. Shot o'clock and pizza time! Pizza time!
Best pizza and brew.
Yeah, I'm so sorry guys, but this one's the best. Did you know that white man loves to eat the booty?
Alright, so you know we always get pizza. Look at the pizza. Woo! That. Oh, we got some calamari,
Okay.
some mac and cheese,
Okay.
and then what is
Wings?
that? Hot wings, baby.
Woo!
Get in the driver's. Yeah, get in. Oh! This is my nephew. I'm trying to teach him.
You like that? Okay, now get the key and then turn it to the left.
Yeah, turn it to the left.
Good job.
Yeah. You like that?
You like it?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So we are in San Diego this weekend. It is AutoFashion Festival. This weekend we always make it pretty special because it is 3 of our Team Ridahs birthdays: Kung, Shavi, and Nephew. It's perfect because it's always on VIP Fest weekend, so we get to celebrate everything all together. The AutoFashion Festival is very special to us because it started off as VIP Fest and we all came from VIP cars. We've been coming for 6 years. It's the week after SEMA, so a lot of SEMA cars come down and it makes a pretty good show. Thank you, Freddie from AutoFashion, for always allowing us to vend. So everybody's getting ready right now. We're about to leave and we will see you guys at the show.
Last night, bro.
Look who it is! It's the Huncho!
Alright, so we just got here. We are gonna move our car in. Everything is pretty busy right now. Yeah, looks like a good day.
New venue, looking good.
got, Shannon?
We got all these Vietnamese banh mi's.
Banh mi.
Banh mi for the boys.
Banh mi. Mushroom fries?
Yeah.
Here, Daddy. I don't think I had none yet.
Thank you.
Oh,
Karuma Taylor.
Haven't seen him in a while because we went to Vegas. But, this one goes out ultra speed. Abner.
Congratulations.
Through WRX. Yes, you know. Nice. Everybody's a winner.
How does it feel to get the award for the cutest laugh?
What's up, guys? This is a reminder that our 5th year anniversary meet is next weekend, Saturday, November 19th at VJC Tires in Azusa. This year we're going to be doing a food drive, so bring some cans. Every item that you bring will get you 1 raffle ticket to have a chance to win some awesome prizes. So we're going to be releasing some new merch there. I know it's getting cold, so we made some new hoodies, and I just finished designing the tee for the meet. So this is what it looks like. Hope you guys like it. We also made this in a hoodie as well. There's going to be some food vendors there, game of skate, raffles, there's going to be awards, and of course the product toss. So get your cars ready, bring some cans, and we will see you there.
Karuma!